Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. First, verify a stable internet connection, wired if possible, because intermittent packets cause 80,072F. Next, temporarily disable third-party antivirus and firewall so they don't block update traffic. Note settings to restore later. Once done, open an administrator command prompt and stop the Windows Update service and background intelligent transfer service so files aren't locked. This creates a safe state for replacing corrupted cache files and prevents conflicts while you run the next corrective actions. Now perform the core fixes. Rename the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders to force Windows to recreate update metadata. This removes corrupted downloads that trigger 80,072F. After that, run network resets. Use netch winsock reset and ipconfig/flushtons to clear socket and DNS state that can drop connections. Once you've renamed folders and reset networking, restart the update and bit services and then trigger check for updates. This ensures fresh files and a clean network stack for the update client to succeed. Finish by installing updates now and rebooting. Many updates require a restart to complete the repair. If 80,072F persists, run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files that interfere with the update agent. Make sure to rerun check for updates after sfc finishes. If that still fails, use the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter or download the specific KB as an MSU package and install manually. Troubleshooting tip: if network errors continue, test with another network or tethered hotspot to rule out router or ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.